Welcome back to my channel at Naturals You Love. Today I'm going to put my hair into a protective hairstyle. If you want to see what I'm going to do to my hair, please keep watching. So I'm going to part my hair into two sections. I will part the first section on camera, then I'll be back again to show you the rest. I've parted it off as best as I can without a mirror. And then I'll secure the back part and work with the first section. And then I'll part it into smaller section in box shape. You can use the rubber band method or braid at the root method, but today I'll be using the rubber band method, which will be easier to anyone who has never braided before. I've parted the back section and that feels pretty straight to me. I'm done parting, and that's how my parting looks. And this is how long the braid is. I will take one of those pieces and crochet it. Hook it onto the crochet and then close it and pull it through. Make sure that they are equal. Then braid it a little bit and then divide it into half and start twisting down. And this is how it looks like. I feel like the back is a fun experimental time because I get to decide the size I want to braid my hair. I'd recommend starting from behind because before you get to the front part, you'll have decided if you want the first braid that you did to be the size that you will go on with. I've used 3 packs of this springy twist because I wanted them big and springy. The braid is already parted. It is packed in strands, so you can get to decide if you want to do it as a full strand or if you want to divide it into 2 depending on the size you want. In my case, I was using 2 strands on every section of my hair. I've had this look for like a week now and I'm so excited that I did this. These braids are so light and I think this is such a cute look. And I'm going to moisturize my scalp using this coconut oil. If you've stayed here till the end, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to comment, share, like, And if you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button and join the family. Let me know which styles you'd like me to do. Braids, twist, cornrows, flat twist, things like that. I post on every Thursdays at 9:30 p.m. So please turn on that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post. See you. Goodbye.